Hi there, my name is Chris Schneider. I'm from Peace River, Alberta. I work here at Mercer Peace River Pulp. I'm the Human Resources Superintendent, but I'm here today to talk to you about some of the opportunities that we have here at the mill within our maintenance department. It's an area I'm very familiar with. I used to be a maintenance tech here at the pulp mill, and basically I just wanted to give you an idea of some of the career opportunities that we have here at the mill within the maintenance department. So the area that you see right here is a typical area. It's called a rebuild area, where we do rebuilding of all the different pieces of equipment, different types of pumps, and all the different parts that make up the millwright trade. So again, this is our tool crib area here at Mercer Peace River Pulp. All the different tools that our mechanical maintenance technicians use to do all the different repairs here at the mill. Grease selection, so maybe just come down and have a look. So here at the mill, we also, in our maintenance department, we operate a lot of different types of equipment. So we use spider cranes and Broderson mobile cranes, and we got a fork truck right over here. It's all pieces of equipment that millwrights, mechanical maintenance, welders, we all use this equipment here to help us do all the repairs within the mill.
What is the favorite part of my job when I was working as a maintenance technician here at Mercer Peace River Pulp? Well, if you enjoy first working as a team, because a lot of the repairs and things that need to happen, you have to work together with larger groups of people, groups 2 or 3 or even larger. And then one of the greatest things about being a maintenance technician here at Mercer Peace River Pulp for me was being able to repair complicated pieces of equipment and things like that. So, what inspired me to become a maintenance technician? Honestly, I had a mechanical aptitude, and I very much enjoyed repairing and fixing things. And so it was just a natural transition for me to work as a millwright and a maintenance technician. So I can't say enough good things about getting into the maintenance technician field, whether it's a millwright or a machinist, welder, or even pipe fitter. I think they're all incredibly important. Very exciting careers if you enjoy working with your hands and being out in the field and making repairs and fixing equipment and stuff like that. I can't stress it enough. I think it's really important. Not everybody can always be in an office or just working in one place at one time. So I think it's a fantastic opportunity for people looking for a new career, particularly young people within this community. I highly recommend it.